He also told them this parable.
Can the blind lead the blind? Will they not both fall into a pit? Students are not above their teacher, but all who are fully trained will be like their teacher. Why do you look at the speck of sawdust in someone else's eye and pay no attention to the plank in your own eye? How can you say,
Friend, let me take the speck out of your eye,
when you yourself fail to see the plank in your own eye? Oh, you hypocrite. First, take the plank out of your eye, and then you will see clearly to remove the speck from the other person's eye.
Yes, that's good.
No good tree bears bad fruit, nor does a bad tree bear good fruit. Each tree is recognized by its own fruit. People do not pick figs from thorn bushes or grapes from briars. Good people bring good things out of the good stored up in their heart, and evil people bring evil things out of the evil stored up in their heart. For out of the overflow of the heart, the mouth speaks.